Good morning guys, we're here in the lovely sunny Puerto Galera, Philippines. Here we've been diving in the heart of the Coral Triangle where the marine biodiversity is some of the best in the world. What a place to be doing it. And we're here with Rob, professional cameraman. Rob, I hear you've been working with cameras for a while.
Yeah, it's been quite a while. Initially I used to work as a diving instructor.
Oh yeah.
But I pretty much gave that up after a few years, and I have been filming underwater for the last 20 years plus. This is what I do pretty much every day. So every day, get up, get my camera, go wet, and go and find some fish and coral to film.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, we can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way.
Rob, you just came back from a dive today with what is that? What is that you're holding on to?
That is brand new thing. That is it's called Titan, and it's an underwater camera drone.
Wow!
Yeah. It takes video in 4K resolution.
That's amazing.
It's pretty cool, huh?
How deep can you go with that?
Well, actually, you can go down to 150 meters.
150 meters,
150
but divers
meters.
don't go that
That's
deep.
right, that's right. You can go a lot deeper than divers normally go.
Wow, that's amazing.
Right.
And it looks really nice too.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that.
Today we were with the Titan, the underwater drone. How did you find filming that? Anything like you've done before?
No, it's totally different, of course. I mean, like, for one thing, you don't have to get wet to get the film, you know, which means probably people that don't even know how to dive can get underwater video. Also, it's a pretty new concept, pretty interesting. I mean, that might put me out of business someday, but no, that is a very interesting new concept, definitely.
Awesome, yeah. I think we got some good footage. What do you reckon?
I believe I do. Yes.
It might seem